producer of the film. You know, hindi madaling gumawa ng pelikula, di ba? More so, this is the first film of 28 Squared Studios and cross-cultural film pa. What encouraged you to produce Under Parallel Skies?
I think for me, honestly, like, we currently live in a world where it's multicultural, interconnected, na parang, hindi na tayo parang tulad na, you know, and before it's always like, okay, a film that's from this country and all that. I feel like having a cross-country film where we're having a Filipino culture, Thai culture, Hong Kong culture, all mixed into one. We live in a melting pot of cultures, and I want to encourage that. We want to foster good relationships between inter-countries and inter-friendships and inter-relationships, of course. And I think it's more common than ever right now to have inter-country connections, relationships, that be friendships, because of, you know, because of internet. Kaya, yun, that's really what really inspired me to create a project that is inter-country, multicultural. I don't know the terms used anymore.
Cross-cultural, diba? And cross-country film. And of course, Direk and Richard, why do Filipino fans need to watch Under Parallel Skies? Why not?
No, I think honestly, like, Direk, ikaw na muna dito.
Bakit nila? Well, una, dahil may Janela. At syempre, for the win!
Kalma lang, guys. Lalabas na niya. Baka naman pwede. Direk Sigrid. Direk Sigrid! Direk Sigrid! Yo!
Wanderers! Wanderers!
Okay, on a serious note na, okay.
Sana po panoorin niyo po ang pelikula namin. Gaya nga nung sinabi ko kanina, kung naghahanap kayo ng pag-ibig, malay niyo naman swertihin kayo sa pagpapanood niyo nitong pelikulang ito. Kung naghahanap kayo ng happiness, dito niyo makikita ang happiness na yon.
And para sa akin naman, honestly, like, one of the big reasons why we do this film is because we want to also promote Filipino cinema. Not just, of course, in the Philippines, we want to promote it out there. So right now, we're very lucky, of course, to have Win, who brings in a huge Thai market also. So with that, we want to promote further Filipino films and Asian films, and we want to take Asian films to the world. So that is really one of the reasons why we hope you guys can support this film, because if this film is very successful, and again, we're distributed by Warner Brothers, guys. Come on, Warner Brothers, of course, you know, that's a huge stamp of approval for us. Kaya we're the first romance film that's being distributed by Warner Brothers. It's such an honor. Kaya guys, I believe everyone out here, I'm sure you guys would watch Under Parallel Skies. Not just once, not just twice, sana mag 3 times kayo din, diba? Ayun.
Alright, let's give Direk Sigrid Bernardo and Richard Juan a big round of applause. Maraming salamat po. And we'll see you guys later. Babalik kayo sa stage in a bit. Thank you. Those were rather the visionaries behind the film. How about we meet the cast of Under Parallel Skies?
guys doing over here?
How do you guys feel that all your fans are here waiting for the movie to come out in over 150 cinemas nationwide here in the Philippines?
My heart is pounding so fast. I'm so nervous. Yeah, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat for being here with us.
Yeah, thank you so much. I love the energy here. Every time I come out here. Love you guys.
You know, when you experience the Filipino hospitality all the time. So can you tell us more about your roles in the movie? You can go ahead, Janelle.
Here I play Iris. She is a receptionist, a hotel receptionist, at isa siyang OFW na nagtatrabaho sa hotel kung saan magiging guest si Karen.
Yes, I am. I play as Karen. So he is a Thai guy who flew all the way to Hong Kong to search for his mom who is missing. And then he met Iris, who is a receptionist at the hotel.
So a while ago, we saw the trailer of your movie. Did they have such strong chemistry, right? Yes. So how was your experience working together in the film?
It was really great being able to work with Win. It was such an honor, especially knowing that he's this loved in the Philippines.
Yeah, it was very good, and we got along very well working together.
I actually asked Richard and Direk Sigrid a while ago why Filipino fans should watch the movie. To you guys, why should Filipinos watch the movie under parallel stars?
Dahil tingin ko, I think Filipino fans should watch this film kasi tayong mga Pinoy, mahilig tayo magmahal. Kaya kung gusto niyong maramdaman ang lahat, panoorin niyo yung film namin.
Why should Filipino fans watch your movie?
Because me and Janela, good actors.
Everyone is looking forward. Yes, that's right. So what are the lessons that Filipinos can learn from the movie? What do you think, Janelle?
Siguro na, siguro na we all live under the same sky. Kahit na magkalayo tayo ng bansa, magkaiba tayo ng bansa, we can all just love each other freely.
For me, I think you will learn the true meaning of happiness, which will in the movie, but I don't want to spoil it. But yeah, you will learn like how happiness is for your life.
I think that got everyone excited, right? To watch the movie. Okay, so I know that you guys work together really well. Did you learn any language or words from each other? Like you, Janela, did you learn any Thai words? And Win, did you learn any Filipino words? Janela.
Ako, on a wholesome yung natutunan ko, aloy mak.
Which means?
Delicious. Si Win, he has a favorite word, but no, don't say it.
Kili. Kili, right? Mahal. Kayo.
And you know what, Win and Janela, the Filipinos love you back as well. Okay. And now may I call on Direk Sigrid and Richard to join us back here on stage. Diba, the whole team of Under Parallel Skies, please join us here on stage. We will play a little game. Okay? Yes.
is about chasing a dream. And I think all of us here also have dreams that we want to chase. Everyone on stage here also have dreams to chase. So that's why this really relates to me, because my dream is to be able to have this film be shown in more countries, be a huge success, so that we can produce even more greater Filipino films for the rest of the world, for the rest of our lives, put Philippine Asian cinema on the map. So that's the big dream that we all have here.
And we will all make that happen, right? SM Mall! Alright, now we invite Win and Janela to sign our official poster of Under Parallel Skies. Under Parallel Skies is in Philippine cinemas on April 17 for 150 cinemas nationwide. Win and Janela, please do the honors of signing our official poster of the much anticipated cross-cultural, cross-country film, Under Parallel Skies. Yes, let's give Win and Janela a big, big round of applause. And now I request for Win and Janela to please stand in front of your poster for a quick photo op. And now everyone, feel free to take photos. Do share it on your socials and invite everyone to catch Under Parallel Skies. Alright, Win and Janela, please stay as we invite the team behind Under Parallel Skies here on stage. Once again, Richard, Derek Sigrid, and co-executive producer Christoph Pagape. Sigrid? The team behind Under Parallel Skies, produced by 28 Squared Studios in co-production with 2 Infinity Entertainment and distributed by Warner Brothers Pictures. Yes, let's give them a big, big round of applause. And now let's invite on stage Derek Rico and the Warner Brothers Pictures team to have a photo op, of course, with our Under Parallel Skies team. Yes, a big, big round of applause for the people behind Under Parallel Skies. Thank you so much, Christoph and Direct, and of course, Rico. Yes, and now, before we conclude the program, we would like to give the floor to our team. Please do invite our fans, our viewers, to catch Under Parallel Skies. Richard, go ahead.
I think we've said everything we wanted to say, and I guess we want to say it again. Guys, this is one of the toughest projects that I think I personally have done, and a lot of us have done. We put in a lot of our heart, blood, sweat, and tears, to make this happen, and we're very, very grateful to all your support out here. You guys really turned up today. I'm super grateful for that, and I'm sure we're all here super grateful for that. And of course, I want to thank also Han Tourism Board and Cathay Pacific for supporting us so early in the project. This project is 2 years in the making, guys. Can you believe it? 2 years in the making. And once again, I'm going to invite all of you guys to watch Under Parallel Skies, showing tomorrow, April 17 in cinemas, over 150 cinemas nationwide. Thank you so much, Warner Brothers, and of course all our exhibitors for believing in this project. And yes, I will leave more stuff to the rest to say.
Sabihin ko, Win, they want hug from you. Mga kabayan, sana po, supportahan niyo po ang pelikula namin. I-tweet niyo po
do enjoy our film.